Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to use fonts and text animation in the VLLO app. So let's get started. First, open the VLLO app. Within it, you can just create a new project or open an existing one. Once you are inside the editor screen, look at the bottom of the timeline where you can see different options. Within it, tap text. When you tap on text, you will see different options like text, label, captions and auto caption. From here, tap on text. As soon as you do that, VLLO will show different default text styles grouped with various categories. Some of these text design include simple animations and are free to use, while others are marked as paid or premium. Choose any free text animation design and tap on it. The text will immediately appear on your clip. After that, tap done. Next, the text keyboard will open automatically. Here you can edit or type your own text. Once you are finished with the typing, tap the correct or check mark icon next to the text field to confirm. You can also rearrange and reposition the text. Below the text area, you will see more options. On the right side, tap on font. This allows you to change the font style. Tap on any style to apply into your text, then tap done. Next, tap on the font size. You can drag the slider to the left to make the text smaller or drag to the right to increase the text size. Once you are happy with the size, tap done again. And that's how you can successfully add animated text and customize the font style and size in VLLO. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video with more easy VLLO tutorials.